everyone. My name is Neeraj Kumar.
Currently, I am pursuing BTech CSC degree from Lovely Professional University. Today, in this video, I am going to present my project, which is a reading log platform. This is a web-based application that helps user keep track of their reading activities in a simple and organized way. So first, let me explain the idea behind this project. In real life, many of us read books, articles, or other materials, but we don't usually keep a proper record of what we have read. After some times, we forget details like the book name, author, or even whether we liked it or not. So, I create this platform as a kind of personal digital reading diary where user can store and manage all their reading information in a one place. Now, I will explain the main feature of the project. Once a user opens the application, they can sign up using their email. During sign up, an OTP is sent to the email for verification, which makes the system secure. After login, the user is taken to the dashboard. The dashboard gives a quick overview of their reading activity, like how many books they have read, their average rating, and different categories of book. This helps user understand their reading habits. Next, user can add a new reading entry. For each entry, they can enter details like the title of the book, author name, category, rating, and also a tag for a summary. These tags help organize books. For example, user can tag books as JavaScript, tag book, category program, rating 4, 3, and tutorial, and etc.
All entries saved in
Dashboard and can be view anytime. User can also edit or manage their entries if needed. Programming language. Talking about the technical side, this project is built using Node.js and Express.js for the backend, which handle all the logic and data processing. The front end is built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which provide a simple and user-friendly interface. For the database, I use Supabase. I also use JWT for authentication to keep user session secure and not mailer to send OTP emails during sign up. Now, let me briefly explain how the system works. When a user sign up, their data is verified using OTP. After login, they can add reading entries which are sent to the backend and stored in database. See, stored in database. Whenever they open the dashboard, the system fetches the stored data and shows useful statistics. So, basically, the front end and back end work together to give a smooth experience to the user. The project is also well structured. It has separate parts like the server file, controller for the handling logic, authentication module for login and security, and the front-end interface. This makes the project clean, organized, and easy to maintain or improve in the future. Finally, this reading log platform is simple but useful application that helps user manage and analyze their reading habit. It also shows my reading of full stack development, including front-end design, back-end development, database management, and authentication. In the future, this project can be improved by adding features like book recommendation or a mobile version. Thank you.